Hello, good morning, boys. So today we will start the introduction to DBMS, introduction to database management system. So here, database management system means what is data? First we have to study about data. What is data? Data is nothing but the raw form of information, means unprocessed information. Unprocessed information, that is the raw form of information, is the data. Or piece of fact, or real world objects. It may be a name, it may be a place, any object in the real world, that is your data. Okay. Then come to database. So organized collections of related data. Organized collections of related data are forms a database. So database everywhere we are using in your day-to-day life. Database are used in medical science. Database are used also in hospital system or management system or in organization or in university, educational institutions, everywhere. Database is required. Then come to database management. Management system. Database is the collections of related data. But management system, it may be a program. This program stores data. It collects data from different resources and retrieves the stored data. It helps to retrieve data. It helps to access data. Those are stored in the computer memory. So totally, if you consider DBMS, it is a modern computerized record keeping system. It is a modern computerized record keeping system. Only you are storing records, data values in a database file. Will call what? And this system is used to manipulate data stored in database system. Manipulate. This is the most important manipulation. Means database management system, it's a computerized system, record keeping system. Computerized system is used to, it helps us to manipulate data. Those are stored in database management system. Okay. Then come to what is manipulation of data. What exactly manipulation is? Means all operations, those are done, those are required to in database. So all operations, that is your insertion operations, means to insert new data in database, and updation, we can modify, we can change the updated values, the constant values. Then deletion, these values, these operations is used to remove or delete data from database. Then accessing, you can get information from database. Retrieval operation, you can retrieve. There are so many operations. Retrieval operations, you can access, you can get, you can store, you can create all operations. And sorting and searching. Also, you can search or require data from database. Then this database management system, this computerized record keeping system, is nothing but the organized collections of group of data, or simply the collections of group of database files. Then come to file. File is a logical name. It is a logical name. But in case of database file, this file stores some related records. Again, in this file, data values are stored in a tabular form. Tabular form means row and column wise arrangement of values. So there are so many rows, so many columns. So data values are stored in a tabular form, that is row and column wise arrangement of data values. So these files are collections of records. Okay? These records again with the collections of related fields or different fields. These fields exactly used to store data values that is collected from different resources. So data or values or any collected things are stored in this field only. For example, a database file I am getting the student database file. The student database file is the collections of student records. So these records, again, the collections of different fields like student roll number, name, course, roll, date of birth, course fee, etc., etc. So these are the fields, the roll numbers and name, address, father's name, mother's name, are the fields. And the values are stored exactly in this column. So row and column. Row are the rows, row are the records, and columns are the fields. These are used to store data. So total this DBMS, database management system, helps to data manipulation. Means all operations. Those are required in a day-to-day life. You can retrieve data according to our requirement. It is a technical process. It is a modern technical approach. Again, we can analyze. So stored data values can be analyzed and managing data. This record keeping system, this computerized management system that helps to manage data, to analyze data according to our requirement. We can get the values. We can give reports. Report generation is most important of this database management system. So again, why we are using this is a very good platform where we can get authorization or authentication. Authorization and authentication are required to store the values because huge amount of data can be stored in database file for a long period of time without any loss. We can store huge amount of data for a long period of time that there is no loss. In memory, it can store huge amount of data values. So to access data values, it requires proper authentication or authorization. Means authorized people are able to access data values. Means this management system, this database management system gives permission to access data values to the authorized users only. So unauthorized users are not able to access data value from this database management system. Okay. Then come to protection and security. So here multiple users are using. So these data records, these values can be accessed by several users into one at same time also. So at same time, huge amount of data values, records, information can be accessed by different users. So it requires protection and security. Data value must be secure because for a long period of time we are going to store data values. So protection, protected data must be protected, must be secure, and the proper authentication is also required to database management system. The database management system provides all these benefits to us so that we are using in a day-to-day life.